Aggregate, Gradation, and Gravity Proficiency samples 7 and 8 are currently being processed and packaged for shipping. The samples will be shipped to you on July 24th, 2025. Please note that Sample 7 and Sample 8 are shipped in separate boxes and will most likely arrive a few days apart. Upon receipt, carefully open the boxes and check to see if the samples were damaged in shipment or if they are missing a component. Use caution when opening the boxes, as a box cutter style knife may puncture the sample bags inside. For Gradation and Gravity rounds 7 and 8, there will be 2 different bags of material in each sample box. The material found inside bag 1 will be used for the wash and sieve analysis and the coarse aggregate specific gravity, and will contain approximately 3 kilograms of material that is 100% passing the 25mm 1-inch sieve. Please ensure that the mass of this sample as received is between 3,310 and 3,350 grams. If it is not, please contact us immediately. The material found in bag 2 will contain approximately 2.5 kilograms of moist fine aggregate that is 100% passing the 4.75mm number 4 sieve. Please treat these samples as you would treat typical testing samples that were brought into your laboratory. All AASHTO accredited laboratories must test samples for each method that fall under the laboratory's scope of accreditation. For specific requirements, please review this accreditation policy on PSP participation, which can be found on the AASHTO accreditation documents page on the AASHTO resource website. Finally, all pertinent information such as sample instruction, datasheets, and safety datasheets can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the datasheets and instructions page. Thank you for your commitment to quality, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.